am very happy and honored to be your MC for today. My name is May Sirius, and I am one of the very lucky faculty and staff that works here at our COM-FSM Kosrae campus. Now, before we get started, once again, welcome to everyone, and thank you so much for being here and supporting our graduates. Before we move on to our processional, I do want to start off with an apology. So I am from Troop, but most of my time has been outside of Micronesia, so please bear with me and forgive me if I mispronounce your name in any way. Please know that I come with respect and love. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and start with our processional. Our flag bearers holding up our FSM national flag as well as the Kosrae state flag. You may proceed. Following our flag bearers are a member of our faculty, honored guests, Board of Regents, our fifth graders, please make your way up here for us. Thank you to our students. You guys need to have a seat. Wonderful. Round of applause to them, please. They did so wonderful.
Precious, loving, and caring God, Almighty God, the only true and living God. We are so grateful and thankful for this day. And we are so thankful for our life. And also
The College of Micronesia FSM is a learner-centered institute of higher education that is committed to the success of the Federated States of Micronesia by providing academic and career and technical educational programs characterized by continuous improvement and best practices. Thank you everyone for joining me. At this time, for our welcoming remark, please give a warm welcome to our acting campus dean, Cassiano Hall.
The past 2 to 4 years, in anticipation of today's event, to welcome the parents of our graduate candidates today who have supported them thus far and hopefully will continue to do so. To welcome our esteemed and distinguished guests who honor us today with their presence of fine and refined examples of their own experiences and their lived professions. And to welcome us all who are present here today. Today marks a milestone in the life of our graduate candidates who summed up this journey in our theme today, Rise Above, to overcome challenges and reach new heights. Among all those who have accompanied you on this journey, no one is ever so close to you other than your instructors who served as your academic advisor, your mentor, and your guide. And therefore, I ask that the faculty please stand and be recognized. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you very much. Today is history in its making for those of us witnessing today's event as part of an historical event in the journey of COM-FSM Kosrae campus. Although the program states that this is the 24th Commencement exercise, I understand that today, fall 2024, is the first ever fall graduation here at Kosrae campus. It is a privilege for me to witness this and so much. Therefore, allow me to, on behalf of the President of the College of Micronesia FSM, Dr. Teresa Koroy-Pula-Ono, welcome you to this historical event, to the first ever fall semester graduation. I thank you all for honoring us with your presence. Welcome.
Move forward with our program. As we all know, the salutatorian ranks as the second highest GPA in all of the graduating class. And so, please give a warm welcome to our salutatorian who will be introducing our keynote speaker. Please give a round of applause to Melita Charlie.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to give praise to our Heavenly Father for giving us life and the opportunity to be gathered here today. Honored guests, COM-FSM Board of Regents, Linda Menendez, members of the faculty, parents, friends, and everyone. Welcome to the COM-FSM Kosrae campus first fall commencement exercise. On behalf of my graduating class, it is indeed an honor and privilege to introduce the 2024 Fall COM-FSM keynote speaker. Our keynote speaker was born on September 10, 1967, to late Mr. Linus George Associate Venus. She is 57 as of today, wife of Jason Fred Seacrest, who was the second eldest son of Martha Fred and Fred Seacrest. She is a devoted mother of 8 children: Loris Valentino, Pat Fred, Brittany, Sonia Lisa, Margaret Tiffany, Rosemary Gigi, and Dolo, and also a loving grandmother as well. Our keynote speaker graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at University of Hawaii at Manoa in 1992. In 1999, she graduated with a Master's in Public Administration at University of Hawaii, also at Manoa. And in 2007, received her Juris Doctor in Law at UH Manoa, William Richardson School of Law. Just to name a few, our keynote speaker was a staff attorney for FSM Congress, a staff attorney for FSM Supreme Court, a part-time instructor at COM-FSM National Campus with Trial Counsel Program, a director for the Micronesian Shipping Commission, a lawyer who was licensed to practice law in Kosrae and the FSM courts, and currently the Kosrae Senator at large with FSM Congress. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our keynote speaker of our first Kosrae Campus COM-FSM exercise, Congresswoman Rosemary George, Speaker.
Good afternoon. Ngayon ko na si Rose. Recipient, lady guards na Laura na December 25th. So, allow me and back Fred. Merry Christmas na si Rose na kayo. Gloria sin God, people na o isip. Kasi patita kayo ni witness or alam mo lan COM Kosrae Campus graduating class of 2024. Along si kayo spell sa inyo, Dinorella, Parting Law, Aguilin Law, na si Michael Nash, the state markup. At parting ko, I respect to you, the Vice State Governor, Galit Zapata, First Lady and Louis, along si Pamela, First Lady, Mary Galenza. Parting ko, Lieutenant Governor, Artie Noyna, the Second Lady, Signorina Artie, and all of the cabinet members, directors, staff. Parting ko, special kaya legislative branches, sa judiciary. Special fine greetings to the graduating class of 2024. Fine ko, welcome to Kosrae, Acting Dean, Ilamalala, na Zoom, for the time that you spent with us, with helping us building our young, growing, developing college. Accolade for Board of Regents, Cornelius, accolade for Department of Education, accolade for senior leadership team and members of the faculty, honor guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the young choir from Nellen, and Bosa Maywa. I will start by thanking the graduating class for the invitation. Gulamala, I am humble and I am honored. Like any speakers before a graduating class, I ask myself, what kind of message can I give to the graduating class that can help them today and throughout their life journey ahead? And you made it easy for me. You have a graduation theme that says, rise above to overcome challenges and reach your new heights. I have to say, I just did that. I don't really like to talk about myself, my experience, but I just did that. I just came out after spending almost 9 months of fighting and overcoming the biggest challenge of my life. This past April, I was officially and finally seated as a senator at large after spending months, almost a year, fighting the hardest battle of my life, the biggest challenge of my life so far. I got the votes July 2023. I spent 8 to 9 months going through a process, litigation in court, 2 phases, trial division, appellate division. And I got elected. I tried to get seated. It was not easy. It was tough. Yes, I did rise above the challenge. But then I realized that the challenges that I am facing now in my 50s have something very common. Those would be some of the factors, some of the attributes would be the same challenges that I faced early on in my life, in my 20s, 30s, 40s. And the challenges that I've overcome in my early years helped me fight the challenges that I faced in my recent life. So instead of talking about those challenges in their different forms, makes, and models, I have selected 3 things that I realized helped me survive the challenges throughout my life and the different phases. Matulungan, those 3 things are: number 1, positive attitude. Have faith in yourself, believe in yourself. Number 2, build yourself a strong foundation to overcome challenges. And number 3, reaching new heights. So what happens when you reach your new heights? I start with number 1, the positive attitude. People that listened to me before can get tired of me saying this, but this is what it is. There is no secret formula to achieving your goals and the many challenges that you have in life. And it all begins with a positive attitude. You must believe in yourself. You must have faith in yourself. Know that God has a purpose for you, and it is your job to find out what is that purpose, your God-given purpose. When you find your God-given purpose, you will be at peace with yourself. Build up your positive thinking. If cannot be all the time, make positive thinking most of the time. I will use an example. I applied 2 times to the William S. Richardson School of Law. I did not make it. When I did not make my first try, my second try, I did not give up. I told myself, I'm almost there. And I know what I needed to do to get there. And that's positive thinking. In my third try, I made it. When I did not make it to my first run for Congress, second run, I said, I did not lose, I won that many votes. And so I did what most grateful people would do. I thanked the good Lord. Now I can try harder the next time. Graduating class, you know what could get you to be positive all the time. You go out there and find out more. There are a lot of books, a lot of online articles of just positive thinking. For me, the positive thinking really made me learn that when facing challenges, problems, you can do 2 things. Number 1, you can do something about that problem, or to do anything about that problem. Often, I chose to do something about the problem or the challenge. You never know what you can do until you try. You may fail in your first attempt, second attempt, but you can tell yourself you are 50% better than the last try. Now you just need to close in on the other 50% to make it to your goal, your 100%. You can do it. You say to yourself, I can do this. There's one verse in the Bible that I keep saying every time I experience setback. And that verse is, I can do everything through Him who strengthens me. That's one great source of power, of positive thinking. For the Lord to carry you through and through. I come to my second thing, which is strong foundation. You must build yourself a strong foundation that can withstand the strong winds, the typhoon, the storms of life, the many challenges. For me, looking back, I ask myself, how did I manage to survive all those challenges, all those typhoons, the strong winds, the storms of life? I was fortunate to have a good life foundation starting up from my early years. I had good mentors, I had good teachers, I had good parents, I had good families, I had good community, good churches, good states, good countries. Your strong foundation begins with strong family and community support. I was and still am fortunate. I thank the good Lord for blessing me with all the supports that I have over the years. From family, community, and a Kosrae and a country I love with all my heart. My father, Linus George, always liked to tell me, you can do it, you have what it takes to achieve all your goals. We were little, we didn't know what goals meant. But I say that because as a parent today, as a grandparent, I encourage all the parents out there to keep believing in your child. You don't know how powerful your positive encouragement to your child can do, what they can do in their life. That dadaling mo, he said they can do everything. And that comes from their parent, their mother and father, Next, on building a strong foundation. You accomplish that today. And that is your education. You learn knowledge. Congratulations, class of 2024. You achieved your degree. You equipped yourself with an educational foundation. In school and work experience, you learn the art of the deal, of surviving college, surviving and overcoming challenges. During the orientation week, my first week in law school, we were told in order to survive law school, in order to do well, in order to be a good lawyer, you do these three things. So we got our pen ready. Number one, preparation. Number two, preparation. Number three, preparation. And that's it. The teachers, the instructors, and our coaches at that time keep telling us preparation, preparation, preparation. They say education is the key to your future, and the key to surviving education is preparation, preparation, preparation. And the keys to surviving life and challenges is prepare, prepare, prepare. You prepare to make good grades. You prepare to win. You prepare to have a good day. You prepare to master the art of living. You prepare. Now you have also learned from your work experience. You're ready to do the hard work, because hard work pays off. Build up your strong foundation every day. Now you ask yourself, what else is needed to build a strong foundation? How do you prepare to face the tough challenges in your life? I believe after overcoming many challenges in my life, that the strongest foundation, my strongest foundation, and I believe it will be your strongest foundation, is having the presence of God in your life. When I was asked, after I was seated, how did you do it? How were you able to survive that challenge? And I'm not going to pretend that it wasn't hard, because it was tough. It was cruel. It was the hardest and the darkest period in my life. I felt that it was like a strong wind, a typhoon was trying to blow me away. I had strong foundation. I was anchored. I had the positive thinking stuff. I had two options then, to do something or don't do something. I decided to do something. I wanted to fight the fight, and I believe I had fought the good fight for me, for my people, my state. And that's the positive thinking stuff. You ask yourself, what is my foundation? I ask myself, what is my foundation? It helped, and I had the good support, strong support from families, friends, communities, and my state. It helped that I have had good educational journey. It helped that I had a law background, and it helped that I was anchored by my faith. So, in summation of the two things that I had, I was anchored by strong family and community support. I was anchored by education, and there was something else. There was something greater than ourselves. And that is my strongest foundation. I had long learned how to pray. I had prayer warriors praying for me. There is power in prayers, the power of faith, the power of hope. The challenge that I just came out of, that was my closer walk with the Lord. And that leads me to number 3, the last one. So you ask yourself, okay, when you reach your new heights, then what? I'm here to tell you that it is not about the new titles, the new pay grades, the new office, the new life. You take a moment, you pause, you thank the good Lord, be grateful for all the love, support you received. Thank your parents, teachers, your classmates, your schoolmates, your friends, your leaders, your church, your community. You become more of a grateful person. You come out of your challenge a stronger, wiser, God-fearing person. That education will make you. That challenge you face in your educational journey in your life will build you. You can sing your songs of praise. For me, I sing, He touched me. He carried me the roof. He touched me. Your education and the challenge that you experience and overcome, you will know the working definition of that verse in the book of Luke that says, you are given much, and much will be required. Know that you will always face challenges. When you get knocked down, you rest up, recharge, learn how to get back on your feet. When you are punched in the face by the many challenges in life, it is how you react to it that counts more. Be positive. You can survive it. You can do it. You've done it before. You come equipped with strong life foundation. In everything we do, we pray and ask the good Lord for His divine guidance. Do not fear challenges. Be ready for those challenges, for they can be your invitation to have a closer walk with the Lord. It helps build you. It helps build your faith. It helps make a believer out of you. Thank you very much. Congratulations, class of 2024. Enjoy your special day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
As we all know, the valedictorian is the academic title to be given to the student with the highest GPA of the graduating class. And so as we move forward, please give a warm welcome to the Fall 2024 valedictorian, Adelaide Sesa.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests, our guest speaker, Congresswoman Wilson George, Rachel Cornelius, Acting Campus Dean Kosrae, members of the faculty, the Shining Campus staff, family members, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank God for this opportunity to speak on behalf of my fellow graduates in this commencement exercise. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people who make COM-FSM a great college. To the Board of Regents, national, state leaders, for your wisdom, your bring, and the vision you laid out, we thank you. To the faculty members who live through all by giving us the education we deserve and pushing us beyond our limit to give our best event, even the days we feel like giving up. All the while, going the extra mile, in building a relationship with us that for some will last for a lifetime. On behalf of the students, thank you. To the families and friends who were there always by our side, giving continuous support during our good times and bad times. We thank you and we appreciate all you have done for us. I stand before all of you today as a valedictorian of this batch of graduates. And to be frank, this is one of the most exciting moments of our lives as we have finally achieved our goals and dreams. Most of the graduates are working mothers and fathers who deserve to be recognized for their dedication and hard work. I can visualize the challenges and the sacrifices that they had to go through these years to leave their families behind in order to fulfill their educational goals. I believe they have to stay up late at night to do their assignments and get things done before their deadlines. So please, give us a big round of applause to the whole and family. It's hard work to finally paid off. Dear friends, it's time for us to look forward to what lies ahead. An unimaginable future that will surely be challenging for us. For me, I'm going to make use of the things I learned from the past few years and sail to the future. So I would like to challenge each and every one of us to reach for bigger roles in leading the younger generation and at the same time appreciate the moment, to care for the environment, and to be aware of the current situation in order to create a better future. With this, I thank you all once again for your presence today and for your untiring support to College of Micronesia, Edison, Gulamamala.
Thank you so much to our valedictorian. As we move forward in our program for the presentation of our candidates, I would like to invite our instructor coordinator, George Silvas, and for the conferral of degrees and certificates, the COM-FSM Board of Regents, Lyndon Cornelius.
Hello, I'm Jay, serious. She's from Chuluk, and she left Chuluk when she was 5 years old to be in the USA. So we're fortunate to have her here as one of our faculty members in social sciences. Hello, I'm based in Pacific, not in the one that gave the city. Pagkakulaman lang siya, mag-speaker lang siya. Ako, ako po, ako na lang tayo, ako na, wali, kita ng pagka, na sa nagbagiba siya. Ako na lang, director, walking, siya tayo former Board of Regents, dealing with the chairman, current Board of Regents Russia, which is the capacity, acting capacity. I wish to bring my respect to you. Also, ako na yung damage ko Russia. Kung ang gawa Russia, Russia. Kung namin na talit at usap. Kung namin siya yung traders, ako yung usap participate in business partnership. Ako na yung dapat members na what we really want candidates in the commencement. For the presentation of the candidates for our graduation birthday, sitting right in front of you are the candidates who have successfully completed their respective programs of study. For the Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, we have one candidate, and for third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary, we have 3 candidates. The Associate of Arts in Pre-Teacher Prep, 4 candidates, and the Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts, we have 1 candidate. And finally, Certificate of Achievement in Electronic Instrument Technology, we have 3 candidates. So, will the candidates from these programs rise for the conferral of degrees and certificates? Would you rise? Richard Little Corinthians. These candidates have been certified by the College of Micronesia Executive Registrar as having completed all the requirements of their 4th year of bachelor's degree, 3rd year certificate of achievement, associate degree programs, and 1 to 2 years of certificate programs, and have been approved by the faculty of the College of Micronesia FSM Kosrae campus. I'm honored to recommend them to you for the conferral of degrees and certificates. Candidates, please remain standing for the conferral of degrees and certificates.
here to come here for telling at 30 candidates. So I now, as a member of the board, on the recommendation of the administrative and teaching faculty of the Kosrae campus of the College of Micronesia and by the authority vested in me as a member of the Board of Regents of the College of Micronesia, FSM, I hereby confer upon each of you who have completed the requirements in the following programs: bachelor's, third year, associate of arts, certificate of achievement, and certificate of basic qualification. For which you have listed in the commencement program, together with all rights, privileges, and responsibilities.
Thank you very much to the instructional coordinator, George Stilfus, and our COM-FSM Board of Regent, Lyndon Cornelius. Thank you so much to you both. And now, for the acceptance of graduates, I would like to welcome Lieutenant Governor Artie Nana of Kosrae State.
Local Massive and Vaccine Premier Boulevard, Premier Mr. Makachana, walking the pension. Richard Cornelius, and a member of the Board of Regents, acting team, faculties of the College of Micronesia, Kosrae. On behalf of Governor Abdullah Japan, I hereby offer our acceptance to the graduates of this year's commencement exercise. Congratulations to you all.
Graduates, may I please call upon our acting campus team to present the degrees or certificates, assisted by our Richard Cornelius, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, Melem Woodway. Felisa Chestin Saleh, Tertiary Certificate of Achievement in Teacher Preparation, Elementary, Wella, Devonton. Arisa Robin Lena, Tertiary Certificate of Achievement in Teacher Preparation, Elementary, Woodway. Stretch, make them like a camera, make memories. Elizabeth Emerson Philip, Tertiary Certificate of Achievement in Teacher Preparation, Elementary, Ellen. From Polo. O'Neill Naina, Associate of Arts in Pre-Teacher Preparation, Woodway. Sepe Richard Naina, Associate of Arts in Pre-Teacher Preparation, Wella. Adelisa George Iso, Associate of Arts in Pre-Teacher Preparation, Lela. Melita Flory Charlie, Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts, Mele. Absity Noah Godfrey, Certificate of Achievement in Electronics Engineering Technology, Mele. Timotheus Jimmy Ida II, Certificate of Achievement in Electronics Engineering Technology, Mele. Ilamalap Kavana, Ilamalap Richin, Ilamalap Kasi.
Before we move on to our tassel ceremony, I would like to call upon our song leaders, Marilyn, and all our song leaders, to please join us in our graduation song. And everyone as well. Thank you.
Ritual in all graduation ceremonies of turning the tassel is called turning the tassel. It marks a milestone in a learner's journey. It closes one chapter in a candidate's pursuit toward academic excellence to start a new chapter in a lifelong learner's pursuit. And for the graduates, I'd like to inform you that I have done my research, and I think my research is correct, that you and the tassel must be traditionally worn on the right side and move to the left during a special portion of the graduation ceremony called turning of the tassel. Hey, I think tassels are in there, correct place. We can move on. Tassels are only turned after degrees are conferred upon graduates to make their step from being candidates to being graduates. Therefore, if I kindly ask you to stand, graduates or candidates, and on a count of 3, move your tassels from left or right to left. Am I right? Yes. Or left. Left to right. Right to left. So, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, graduates. As of this moment, you have become graduates of the College of Micronesia FSM. You are now alumni of the college. I exhort you to make memories, not mistakes. Leave legacies, not regrets. Become the flaming torch of inspiration in the hearts of those whose life you have touched and will continue to. Merry Christmas and blessings of a fruitful New Year 2025 to you all.
Thank you so much, Acting Campus Dean Cristiano Paul. Now we are getting close to getting done here, so hang tight. At this time, if I could please ask Reverend Paligna Sigra to come up here for our benediction and closing prayer. It's a workout today, so up and down, huh? Okay. Alrighty, so for our recessional year, for all of us to stand, thank you. Alright, so our flag bearers. Our flag bearers. Okay, our flag bearers followed by the faculty members. You may proceed. I think our flag bearers are, Ms. Please go ahead. Faculty members, followed by